Hey, how are you doing? My name is Dave. I'm from theschoolofguitar.com, and in this lesson I'm going to show you how to play Ellie Goulding's new song, Like a Saviour. Right, so there's a guitar lesson for Ellie Goulding, Like a Saviour. Now, I have found some good chords online, and I'm going to break them down on how to play with the song. So check this out. This is how the song's going to go. So this is how it'll look. So that's the D sharp minor, and I'll break this down in a sec. All right, let's break it down. So we have three basic chords going on here. We have D sharp minor, that's 6th fret on A, and it's the A minor shape. Sleep with my shadow, trying to find my faith in tomorrow, tired of holding on to. And then we have a B major bar chord, which you can do here on the 7th fret of E. That's your B, and then you're going to move that up 2 frets to C sharp. So your three chords: D sharp minor, B, up 2 frets to C sharp. So let's take a look at those there. You'll see that we've sleep with my shadow. Da, da. So your move would be to the B, then up to the C sharp. And that's the same thing twice for that verse. Now the rhythm we'll get into here. So the rhythm will go down, down, up, down, up. I'll do that again. Down, down, up, down, up. Right, so all that verse would go as follows. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So D minor, sharp. Then up to C sharp twice, and same again, took out the battle. 2, 3rd round of rhythm, 4th, then onto B, rescue me, then you danced into my life. Right, let's take a look at the next part. So, and by the way, to grab this, I vetted this, I checked it online, it's accurate. If you want access to this sheet that I'm using, it'll really help your learning. So you'll find it below this video or up above here in a card that'll pop up. Be sure to grab it. Like over 1,500 people have joined my song library. It's free. There's, I think, 80 plus song tutorials up there right now, and it's growing. There's new things going up each week, so be sure to grab it. It'll have the chord diagrams, it'll have all the lyrics and the chords if you want to play it, and all the credit goes to the original person who transcribed it as well. Now, the pre-chorus, let's take a look. We have beautiful visions come to me. That is B up to C sharp, D sharp minor. We've had all those chords already. But then you have A sharp minor. To play that, move your D sharp minor up a string, lift off the middle finger, then hook it over the index. That's what we get. That's A sharp minor. And I'll play along with the record in a sec. Next line goes B, D sharp minor, C sharp, A sharp minor 7, which is take the pinky off on that shape we did earlier. You can still do A sharp minor if that's a stretch too far. Okay, so we'll put a play in here. Here we go. Then single strum. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we get the hook of the chorus. Okay, so that's the pre-chorus. Now to get into the chorus, take a look through the chords and you'll begin to notice that you've already done your D sharp minor, you've done your C sharp, B major 7. Let's talk about that one. And this is where I'm actually going to play a different version of the C sharp here. It's because we're going to fall down the fretboard from D sharp minor to C sharp to B major 7. So let's go up here. So that was your D sharp minor. That's another reason to grab the chords. You see them written here too. We're going to do this C sharp here. Okay. So you're going to get your index on the 4th fret of A. Then you get 2, 3, and 4 on these. And you strum the 5 strings. So that's the other way of doing C sharp for the chorus. So we have our D sharp minor, down 2 frets, your A major shape, that's your C sharp. Finally then, I want to draw your attention to B flat major, or B major 7, this one here. 2nd fret, then it's this triangle shape. It's 4, 3, 4 on the D string, G and B string. And we strum that. So the chord moves are D sharp minor, C sharp, B major 7. So you see them here. And then you go up to C sharp. Okay, so I'd suggest you just get used to doing those movements first, and then you can add in your rhythm. And I'll play with it here now. Okay. 1, 2. No. So that brings us into the next verse. Your B, you can play it that way or that one. Then single strums. 1, 2, 3, 4, A sharp minor, B, back to the chorus, here we go. Double chorus. And then we're into the post chorus. Okay, so that's the same as before. Now we're going to keep an eye on the bridge. So we got the B here up to C sharp. Now here comes the post chorus. Oh, sorry, bridge. So C sharp, single strums. Okay, and one little thing I'm going to do here, because sometimes these aren't fully accurate. That is not an E flat. That is D sharp minor. It goes to B flat, B major 7 there instead. Okay? So over dark, you're going to play B major 7. Another reason, make sure you download the sheets for this. It's going to really help your learning. Okay? So, because I've seen it happen before, and it's probably happened to you before. You put work into something and you realize that you played the wrong chords, and then you spend time trying to rewire what you did. So be sure to grab it. You'll find the link below this video. It's free. And I promise I will not spam you. I sent some extra guitar tips and stuff like that, but they're useful. I think you like them. Now, C sharp. Then we go back to the chorus. That's fine. post-chorus, and we're out of here. That's the whole song. Now, so be sure to download it. Be sure to grab your download. Bar chords are where it's at with this one. You could do the open chords. Put a capo on probably the 3rd fret. Do B minor, A, and G. But the bar chords add that sort of dance crispness to it, which is good. All right, if you're watching this far, thanks so much for tuning in. This song is very useful for improving your bar chords and your longevity of playing them, for the hand strength and for your precision of movements. And I've been Dave from theschoolguitar.com, and I will see you in the next lesson.